Go.
Namaste, Vande Mataram, Mera Bharat Maan. This is ICE Open International. I am in Anand, Kheda, Gujarat. I am very blessed to have with me Bindya Bhatt and Dr. Hemant Bhatt. And Dr. Hemant, I just wanted to share, can you tell me something about your foundation which has started on Dr. Shivani Bhatt Charitable Foundation?
So actually the Dr. Shivani Bhatt Charitable Foundation, in brief it is known as the SPCF. It's been started in the fond memories of our beloved daughter Dr. Shivani, who lost her life tragically in the last 1st of November 2019 at the US. So we started this foundation to help the uneducated for the education as well as health of the underprivileged children, particularly the girl childs. So we started various programs in the SBCF. Like we started one program that's known as a Stuti, means Shivani Teachers Undertaking Training Initiative, where the master teacher teaches the other teachers of the municipality schools, so that that teachers understands the quality as well as the way of the education.
Interesting.
And make it more interest to the students also. There is another program that is known as a SMART program, that is Shivani Memorial Aptitude and Reasoning Test, where we focused on for the training of the students from the 3rd standard for these various entrance exams, so that the child become aware as well as educated for that exams. And we also adopted 15 underprivileged girls for their education at the Anand local schools. Then we started a gold medal in the name of Dr. Shivani at the medical college, Karamsad Medical College, for the student who secures highest number of marks in the subject of the medicine.
Yeah, and I just want to add what Dr. Hemant said, that always tell that she's an angel girl, like she was born on July 11th, 1995, and she was in Ohio. I'm from Ohio. She was this tragic happened. She went to heaven on October 31st. That was Halloween's Day.
Halloween's Day.
And they got connected with me in Ohio, so I'm very deeply touched with this amazing family. But I would like to ask a question to Bindya, that if any student or any child who is very in poverty or but has got talent and wants to pursue education, I know you have some program. How can they contact you? How can they reach you? How you can empower them? How you can educate them? And how you can make their life?
We have a website called Shivani, Dr. Shivani Foundation.org, and they can see and contact us.
So is there any procedure, or there's a form, or they just call you, or
there are various methods also. So we have collaborated with 1 or 2 schools of the Anand, where the principal has just segregated the needy students. We have started also, so they just inform us these many children are need in some form of the monetary help as well as books and for their uniforms and everything. So we just supported like that. We have started also a library, lending library of the medical books, because medical books are quite costly. So we just gathered more than 1,000 books. Dr. Girish Srivastava is looking after that library, and we just lended these books to the needy poor students who are pursuing their medical degrees. And once they finish, they return back to us. Then again, that will be used for the other students also. So it's like that.
Yeah, but that's fantastic that you started a library, and I think you are moving ahead, and you have a lot of plans. So the overall objective of ICE Open International, we are a global organization opening branches in 50 countries, and there are a lot of NGOs in the US and worldwide that just work on child empowerment, especially girls. So I'm very amazed. I'm quite inspired by what you are doing for Dr. Shivani. It's quite touching.
Right.
So would you be interested to collaborate with all the organizations or with ICE Open International, where we can promote? And because ultimately I feel that what you are doing, you are preventing a victim, the girls, from being a victim of human trafficking.
Yes,
because
exactly.
it's a vulnerable population.
Let them empower by their education. So once I believe, if one girl child is educated properly, that child will ultimately uplift the whole family, not only herself but the whole family. So by making them empowered by the education, so that will be help in the long run, and that will be definitely prevent this human trafficking, which you are pursuing. So we'll definitely love to be associated with this ICE Open International, as well as your activities which are conducted for this trafficking.
Yeah, thank you. So friends, if you have any questions, if you are going to the United States of America and you face any problems, whether you're a victim of human trafficking, sex trafficking, you have any issues, always would recommend very strongly. Please save this number on your cell phones. That's 1-888-373-7888. And you can even contact us at info@eyesopeninternational.org, and we will try to help you out. We always believe in prevention, education, protection and empowerment of community members globally. So having said that, I would like to thank Dr. Hemant Bhatt, Bindya Bhatt, and I always respect Shivani. So once again, thank you very much. Vande Mataram, Mera Bharat Maan. And in the end, would you like to say something to the audience or to the young girls on behalf of Dr. Shivani?
Yes, it's a Shivani's dream that no child should remain uneducated in India. The only dream we are following, or we are just feeling that dream. So I just want all your support for this kind of my activities. Thank you very much.
Thank you.